Video, I'm going to teach you how to record a customer payment and mark an invoice as paid. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a payment and watch the invoice status switch to paid, keeping your records accurate and up to date. Before we begin, have the essentials ready: the amount received, the payment date, the method of payment, and any useful reference like a transaction ID or check number. Make sure you have permission to edit invoices in your account so you can complete the process smoothly. In this walkthrough, we'll record a full payment so the invoice will be marked paid. Start by opening the invoice you want to update. You can access it from your invoices list or recent activity. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the right document by checking the customer, the invoice number, and the outstanding balance shown on the page. This simple review helps you avoid applying a payment to the wrong invoice. Next, look to the top right of the invoice for the More Actions menu. Depending on your screen, it may appear as a button labeled More Actions or an icon with 3 dots. Open that menu to reveal additional options related to this invoice. From that menu, select Add a Payment. This opens a payment form that's already linked to the invoice you're viewing, which means you won't need to match things manually later. Now enter the payment details carefully. Type the exact amount received and set the payment date to the date on the deposit or confirmation you have. Choose the correct payment method, such as bank transfer, card, cash, or check, and include a reference or memo if you have one. If you work with multiple currencies, double-check that the currency matches the invoice. Since we're marking this invoice as fully settled, make sure the amount equals the outstanding balance. Accurate entries here ensure your reports and customer statements remain reliable. When everything looks correct, click Save. The system will record the payment and apply it to the invoice automatically. You should now see the invoice status update to paid, and the outstanding balance should drop to 0. You may also notice a confirmation message and a new payment record in the invoice activity, which is helpful for audit trails. If something doesn't look right, remember you can revisit the payment details later to make corrections. That's all you need to do. You've opened the invoice, used the More Actions menu to add a payment, entered the details, and saved your changes. The result is a clean, accurate invoice marked paid, ready for your books and your customer records.